Welcome, in front of me is Dell Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Chrome web browser on this laptop. First, open your default web browser, which is Microsoft Edge. Then go to the search engine and search for the Google Chrome. Find the Google Chrome link on the official google.com website. Click on it, then click Download Chrome and wait until the setup file is downloaded. Click on it to open. At this point you can close your browser, then click Yes and wait until the Google Chrome browser is downloaded and installed. And once your browser is downloaded and installed, it will automatically open. If you want to set it as default browser, click right here. And that's basically it. Right now you are free to use your brand new Google Chrome web browser. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.